Alex, you wanna... This is the reveal. The dissolvable filament. Oh, it's a little...
Still goopy.
It is still goopy. Can we run water over it?
Oh.
Swish it, put it in there and like swish it around maybe.
Ooh.
Let's run it under hot water. Oh. Stay centered here. No?
Yeah, let's do the hot water.
Yeah, alright.
Take 2. It's not hot yet.
Okay. That was already working.
Now it's very hot.
You just put it down and let it cook it underneath.
I don't want to overheat
The plastic? You think it's that hot?
Yeah, it's very hot.
This is the highest quality filming I've ever done. Wow. It's definitely dissolving, but maybe we need to re-soak it.
So it's very temperamental. Heat.
Can we put it in water that's like agitated or stir?
Do we have one?
No.
Let's put it in a centrifuge.
Just like stir it with a spoon.
Centrifuge. You should do a, what do you call it, time lapse of this.
Yeah. It's not as much drama as I'd hoped. Happening. Here, let me focus it. Oh.